farm animals would you rather? Would you rather pet a pig or a cow? If you chose pig, time to do some high knees. If you chose cow, do some jumping jacks. Would you rather be a sheep or a duck? If you chose sheep, get on the ground and do some push-ups. If you chose duck, do some lunges. If you Would you rather ride a donkey or a horse? If you chose donkey, do some squats. If you chose horse, time to do some side bends. Would you rather drink milk from a goat or milk from a cow? If you chose goat milk, let's see your robo dance. If you chose cow milk, let's see your best shimmy. If you chose goat milk,